Hey everyone, it's Neil, and this is the first week it's not over 100 degrees, so what is it? It's time to get ready for the winter, so I got myself a hat. Look at this. It was on sale, so I got it, but it's a Tecum hat, T-E-C-U-M, and it's soft. It's like kind of a feltish one. It's not like a normal. It's fleece. That's what it is. So there we go. So that's a nice hat. So there's my fleece new hat. So nice and warm, and by TECUM, Tactical Fleece. So kind of cool. I saw other people were buying it, and I'm like, okay, everyone's buying it, so I'm gonna buy it too and give you guys a review and show you guys what it's like. So figured I'd make a video. So here we go. So this is it. This one is not sponsored or anything. This is just me buying a inexpensive hat. So I like it. Thumbs up from me on this. Link in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.